Okay, this is the Carson show 2018. It's a November show, and this is what the convention type of halls look like pre-doors opening. I think it's probably about 45 minutes before the opening of the show, I guess. Haven't been in the main hall yet until just right now. Judikins and Stampers Anonymous, all with their different companies. It takes up probably 1/3 of the hall here at least. Back in the 80s, you can see where the divider is for this entire room. That used to be, one of these used to be closed off, so it might have been even like 1/3 of this hall was the show. It might have been 2/3, but I think it was just 1/3 of it. I think these two wings were divided out before, so pretty crazy. And back in the day, I think Stamp of the Hand had this booth right here next to the doors, entranceways, and up on that stage area right there was Stamp of Barbara, and that area in there was swamped with people. So anyways, that's the Carson Convention Center show pre-opening.